Okay, so we've got a lot of videos on this YouTube channel on how to make money online or how to start an online business, how to grow social media. But I feel like there are not enough videos showing you how to start as a broke beginner. So in this video, you'll learn how to make money online as a broke beginner. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new. Because me and my team, now we're back at 2 video editors. We publish up to 3 videos every single day so that you can get some value. So before we start, make sure you give this video a like. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account down below, or just something funny or cool. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, let's start. So the first website that I actually wanted to show you is radioearn.com. And it's something pretty simple. Obviously, the profits you'll be making from a lot of these methods is not as high as some other methods. But again, you're a broke beginner, what do you expect? So Radio Earn, you can earn alone or with your website with listening to radio. So you basically sign up, start the radio or use the API and earn. Every 15 minutes you get points. These points will be converted at the following month to USD. You literally get paid to listen to the radio, right? Normally you pay to listen to the radio, right? I got Spotify, I'm paying like $5, $6, $10 a month, I'm not sure, to listen to, Spotify, the premium version. And here they are paying you to do all that. And the cool thing is that you can start your radio, you have statistics, it's very simple and you can earn and get paid out. This is the first way. The second way is actually to get paid by answering questions, or it's basically the survey style of making money online. So the idea is that you share your opinion to help brands deliver best products and services, right? When a brand launches a new product, they want to see if this product is compatible with different age groups, different genders, different social status, to see if it can take a good place in the marketplace. So your job here, go through surveys and then share your opinion. A similar website is actually isaysurveyworld.com. The cool thing about it is that they say you get $5 when you sign up. It's another website that I found. And I'll have most of the links for these websites in the description and also in the first comment below the video. Another website is actually surveys2cash.com. You basically take surveys, get rewarded for it. You can get paid with PayPal or Amazon gift cards. So it's really cool because you do need PayPal money. If you want to start a Shopify store, buy a domain, pay for hosting, pay for ads, having some PayPal balance can definitely help out. Even if you're not making huge amounts of money at first, it can definitely help you get a snowball effect. And the last website is actually AppIResume, and this website is a little bit more interesting because it has higher paying surveys and it has surveys based on your interests. For example, technology, household, health. So if you're really interested in traveling, you can just start traveling or automobile, surveys. So you basically learn interesting things, share your feedback, get paid. So time will probably go by pretty quickly. If you appreciate this video, make sure again you give it a like, and to help us out, to help me grow the channel, make sure you subscribe because we're really looking into getting 10k subs. We just hit 6k 2 days ago, so it's the 14th today, so it was on the 12th of October. You might see this a little bit later, this video. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, results can vary. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you in the next one, bye.